Step number 5 in the 7 steps of confidence is pouring into others, taking the focus off yourself and focusing on what you can give and what you can serve to others. One of my favorite NBA players, Steve Nash, he wasn't the most talented or athletic, but he was a 2-time NBA MVP because he poured into others. He was the best teammate there ever really was. He averaged 239 high fives given a game, 239, encouraging his teammates, making them better than they probably actually were because he was pouring into others. He was taking that focus off himself and what's in it for him, and he gave to others. And we can do the same thing. It takes a ton of pressure off ourselves, gives us the confidence that what we're doing, these struggles that we go through, these hard times, it's not all just about us. It's about what we can give to others. So what I do with my high performers, CEOs, NBA players, every time we enter a room, look at our hands and say the word serve. Every time we pick up a phone, make a call, send an email, look at your hands, say the word serve. So put your mind in the state of you're serving everyone else and it's not all about you. So focus on serving others and you will gain super confidence through not just having to depend on everything being about yourself.